In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Atome bill with GCash. If you want a quick and convenient way to settle your Atome installment using your phone, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, launch the Atome app on your device. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in before continuing. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right billing details and upcoming payments. Once you're inside the app, tap the Bills tab. This is where Atome organizes the payments connected to your account, including any current balances and scheduled installments. After that, look under the Upcoming or Active tab. In this section, you'll be able to view your future installments and identify the bill you want to pay. Take a moment to check the amount and due date so you can confirm you're paying the correct installment. When you're ready, tap Pay Now. This will open the available payment options for that bill. From the payment methods shown, choose e-wallets. This option lets you pay using supported digital wallet services instead of a card or other payment channel. Next, select GCash from the list. Be sure to tap the correct wallet option so the payment is routed properly. After selecting GCash, you'll be taken to a new page. At this stage, you'll usually have two ways to continue. You can open GCash directly if that option is available on your device, or you can take a screenshot of the QR code and use that to complete the payment inside the GCash app. If you use the QR option, make sure the code is clear and fully visible in the screenshot so it can be scanned without issues. Whichever option you choose, the final step is to confirm the payment. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly review the amount one more time. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures the payment goes to the correct bill. Once the payment is confirmed, wait for the app to finish processing. In most cases, you should receive a confirmation once the transaction is successful. It's also helpful to keep a record of the confirmation page or receipt for your reference, especially if you want proof that the installment was paid on time. And that's it. That's how to pay your Atome bill with GCash quickly and easily using the Atome app.